set, go. And here we have it. Two of the Smith girls on an Easter egg hunt.
Where are they all?
Look at her go. Walked right by one. Oh my God.
Ah!
You're scaring Sebastian.
Now, Sebastian, you take note. This is how you conduct an Easter egg hunt.
You show Pop. Hey! You hear Pop? Pop? You hear what you got? Easter egg hunt? Easter egg hunt? Hey, what are you doing?
You girls acting like children.
The bathroom? Let me do that.
Hey!
Wow. Belle's right here?
Not long ago.
Don't throw, Sebastian.
Belle's here already?
She was?
But not very thoroughly.
I should have said that.
Huh? Yeah.
Happy Easter, Grandpa.
Happy Easter.
Next time we have to do this when Sebastian's finished eating or before he eats.
Why?
Because we do everything on the floor. He gets nervous.
Nervous. Wait, you said wasn't in the office, the playroom?
Right. Not in there. Oh, yeah, except for that one.
He's nervous?
Hey, he's throwing everything on the floor. Front, see?
Hey.
Why, he's nervous at him? You need to be nervous?
Stop.
Are we scaring him?
I would say the majority of them are not in the kitchen and living room.
Really?